Ni muingi uria ukwiyumiritie gwikira uira thutha wa ekwirwo ana kwambika ndathukanirio ya rithathi na maabithaa borithi no matiuma na bahati othe makiuragwo na abithaa umwe wa borithi kugurario. Kurerikana ekwirwo acio aria mauma ngari-ini no muthemba wa Toyota Sienta mekumite barabara-ini ya Outer Ring na riria marugamirio ni maabithaa borithi mambia kurathukaniria marithathi na maabithaa na mishinga iri iria megwithaite nayo.
Our officers were able to come across a motor vehicle which had around 4 young men inside the vehicle along Kangundo Road. While they were stopped just near to this petrol station Shell, the same young men started shooting the officers while they were just being told to stop for a check.
Biteka yaiteka gatagati ka ekwirwo acio na maabithaa borithi na kihitahitano-ini kiu ekwirwo acio moragwo nake abithaa umwe atigwo na nguraro njuru iria arathie na mbere na kuonia thibitari-ini wa Mama Lucy.
Our officers responded immediately and a shootout pursuit within this particular area, whereby by good luck our officers managed to fatally injure 4 of them who were in the motor vehicle and one of our officers got injured.
Ona gukiri uguo maabithaa borithi ni mahotire kuiyukia ngari iria ekinaĩ acio mauma nayo mishinga iri na buruburu 14.
We were able to recover a motor vehicle and also recover with them 2 firearms with 14 ammunition. These were lethal criminals. They have been in our radar for a while. We pursued them since a few weeks and lucky enough today we were able to come across them after getting the tip off that they were some to commit a crime along Kangundo Road.
Aria meyoneire mbitike iyo maugite ekwirwo acio ni ageni maitho-ini mao undu uria marekwa maya gukorwo maumite matura mangi guku Nairobi.
Vijana tunawajua, vijana wa huku sana sana si wenye wanahusika kwa crime kaa hizo.
OCPD wa Buruburu augite kwahoteka ekwirwo acio nio marakoretwo makiagagia ikari matura-ini maria marigiceirie na uguo akoria muingi witikire gutia watho amu maabithaa borithi na ruhonge rwa ugitiri rutirakomerera wira-ini uria mehokeirwo.
Scaling up also our strategies and also our teams on the ground so that we are able to manage that menace. All our commanders are activated, irrespective of the command. We are all activated to ensure that crime is managed at this time whereby life is hard for each and every Kenyan as we talk now. So we are looking at options. Which options can we do it as a preventive measure to secure and safeguard the property of Kenyans and also as well their lives as well.
Gerifo Tera Kameme TV, Jitagwa Morige, Wagure.